This is meteorologist Andrew Markowitz with the latest on the East Coast snowstorm for Sunday, January 18, 2026, featuring snow all the way down to Florida and perhaps a winter wonderland in Foxborough. Round 1 is currently tracking through the Northeast, delivering a plowable snow of 3 to 6 inches across much of Pennsylvania up to New England. The second storm will form in the Gulf on Sunday and will quickly make its way up the East Coast throughout the day. We will see rain changing over to a wet snow across southwestern South Carolina, much of southern Georgia, and yes, even portions of the Florida Panhandle. Most places will see just a coating, but some parts of Georgia, including Macon, could see up to 2 or 3 inches. After that, we will see a second round of snow developing in the Northeast, including the I-95 corridor from Baltimore up to Boston. I should note that since yesterday, there has been a very clear trend to the north and west, which increases the odds of a plowable snow. Having said that, there are two main factors that are preventing this from turning into a blockbuster blizzard. The first is that we are missing a blocking high to the north. This means that our storm will stay pretty weak and will be fast moving, which limits the window for potential accumulation. The second and more consequential is temperatures. During the day on Sunday, temperatures during the storm are going to be near to above freezing. It can certainly snow at 34-35 degrees, but it will have a tough time sticking unless rates are heavy enough. Otherwise, you just get what is known as white rain. Here's my official forecast. The best chance of seeing a plowable snow will be in eastern Massachusetts from the south shore to the Cape, where I have anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. If you live in the dark blue zone, I would expect anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. That includes coastal Maine, down through Boston, Worcester, Providence, the eastern half of Connecticut, and eastern Long Island. If you live in the turquoise zone, expect anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. That includes northern Maryland, the capital region of Pennsylvania, most of the Philly and New York City metros, up through Concord, New Hampshire. Finally, if you live in the lightest shade of blue, expect anywhere from a few flakes or a coating to as much as an inch. I am concerned about another last-second nudge to the west, and if that happens, we could be talking about a few inches getting to I-95 from Philly to New York City and perhaps several inches into Boston. In terms of timing, this is going to be exclusively a Sunday storm. It's going to be arriving in the morning and then out of here overnight. Now, the big event that we have tomorrow is the Patriots hosting the Houston Texans at 3 o'clock in the divisional round of the playoffs. Now, of course, this begs the question, will we get a snow game? And I think that based on the current trajectory, the answer is yes. And in fact, the snow rates could be pretty intense. I'm not going to make any overly bold proclamations, but there is a precedent for a 2-seeded Patriots team to host a divisional playoff game in the snow with a second-year quarterback at the helm. Let's just say if history repeats itself, some of us will be very happy, but a lot of you will be very disappointed. And going forward, it looks like the cold will stick around, so don't be surprised if we're tracking additional winter storm threats over the coming weeks. For more updates on the storm and other severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.